Hello and welcome to another video. Today's topic is: can we prove God exists using math? Can math prove the existence of God? Not just point toward him, but prove he's real? Today, we're diving deep into that question. Not with blind faith or pure science alone, but with the logic, probability, and structure that math brings to the table. From mind-bending logic to cosmic precision, let's explore how mathematics might just whisper the reality of a creator. Kurt Gödel, one of the greatest logicians of the 20th century, created a mathematical proof for God. Based on the classic ontological argument from philosophers like Anselm, Gödel restructured it using modal logic, the logic of possibility and necessity. Here's the idea simplified. A being that possesses all positive properties, call this God, must exist if such a being is possible. Gödel defined positive properties mathematically and treated God's existence as a necessary truth, like the truth of a triangle having three sides. In logic terms, 1. If it's possible that a necessary being exists, 2. Then a necessary being must exist. This proof is airtight logically, but the controversy lies in the definitions. What counts as a positive property? Can existence be a property? Gödel believed so, and that belief became the basis of his formal system. Next up, probability. Ever heard of Bayesian reasoning? It's a way of calculating how likely something is based on the available evidence. Philosopher Richard Swinburne applied this to God. He asked, what's more likely, that the universe with all its complexity and order just popped into existence by chance? Or that it was designed by a mind? Bayes' theorem updates our beliefs as new data comes in. Swinburne argues that when we factor in the existence of the universe, the fine-tuning of physical laws, human consciousness and morality, the probability of God's existence goes up. It's not proof in the traditional sense, but it's statistical support for belief in God. Now let's look at the fine-tuning argument, a favorite among physicists and mathematicians who believe in God. Here's the basic idea. The universe is governed by fundamental constants: gravity, electromagnetism, strong and weak nuclear forces, etc. If even one of these values were off by a fraction of a percent, life couldn't exist. Stars wouldn't form, atoms wouldn't hold together, nothing. Think of it like a cosmic soundboard with trillions of dials, all set perfectly. Is it more reasonable to believe that happened by accident or by design? Mathematically, the odds of a life-permitting universe arising randomly are astronomically low. Some suggest a multiverse to explain it, but that only moves the question back. Who or what set the multiverse in motion? So can math prove God? Not in the way it proves 2 + 2 = 4. But it can strongly support the idea that belief in God is not only rational, it might be the most reasonable explanation for what we see around us. Gödel gave us logic. Swinburne gave us probability. The cosmos gives us the constants. And maybe all of them point quietly but powerfully to the same eternal truth, that behind all math, mind, and matter, there is God. Please drop comments and requests below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. To support the channel,